Every day, billions of devices exchange information across networks. You send WhatsApp messages, watch YouTube videos, browse websites, join video conferences, play online games, and transfer files, often without giving a second thought to what happens behind the scenes. But have you ever wondered how your device knows where to send data? How does it find another device anywhere in the world? And how does all of this happen in just a fraction of a second? In this video, we'll uncover the fundamentals of computer networking and explore the technologies that make modern digital communication possible. Whether you're just beginning your networking journey or preparing for professional certifications, this is the perfect place to start. How does your laptop instantly find a printer on your local network? How does your web browser locate Google servers anywhere in the world? How can billions of devices exchange information every second without their data getting lost? Behind every click, every message, every video stream, and every online transaction lies one of the greatest engineering achievements ever created: the computer network. And that's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. At its core, a computer network is a collection of two or more devices connected together to exchange data and share resources. These devices can include computers, smartphones, servers, printers, security cameras, and countless other network-enabled systems. By communicating over a network, they can share files, access the internet, use common applications, and exchange information quickly, securely, and efficiently whether they're located in the same room or on opposite sides of the world. Imagine having multiple computers, but no network connecting them. Every time you wanted to share a document, photo, or video, you'd have to copy it onto a USB drive or an external hard disk, walk to the other computer, and transfer it manually. Now imagine doing that every day across dozens or even hundreds of devices. Clearly, that's neither practical nor efficient. Computer networks solve this problem by enabling devices to exchange data instantly, without the need for physical storage media. Imagine a company with 100 employees, each working on different projects throughout the day. Every document, spreadsheet, presentation, or database update would need to be copied manually from one computer to another. There would be no shared folders, no centralized storage, no email, and no seamless collaboration. This is precisely the problem that computer networks were designed to solve. Think about your day. You check your email, send WhatsApp messages, stream music, browse social media, shop online, attend virtual meetings, and watch YouTube videos. Behind every one of these activities is a computer network, silently connecting billions of devices and transferring massive amounts of data every second. When you type google.com into your browser and press enter, it might seem like magic, but your computer has no idea where Google's servers are located. Behind the scenes, it performs a series of networking operations, finding the correct IP address, selecting the best path across the internet, and establishing a connection, all within a fraction of a second. After resolving the destination address, your data embarks on an incredible journey. It moves through switches on your local network, is forwarded by routers, travels across your internet service provider's backbone, crosses multiple interconnected networks around the world, and finally arrives at Google's data centers. Remarkably, this entire process is completed in just a few milliseconds. Computer networks come in many different sizes, each designed to meet specific communication needs. Some connect devices within a single room, others span entire buildings or cities, and some stretch across countries and continents. Understanding these different types of networks is the first step toward understanding how modern communication works. The largest and most complex wide area network, or WAN, ever built is the Internet. Rather than being a single network, the Internet is a massive collection of interconnected networks that span the globe. Together, they connect billions of users, millions of organizations, and countless data centers, enabling instant communication and access to information from virtually anywhere in the world. Networking isn't just another IT subject, it's the foundation of modern technology. Whether you aspire to work in cloud computing, cybersecurity, software development, artificial intelligence, or enterprise infrastructure, a solid understanding of networking will give you a significant advantage throughout your career. Computer networking is the backbone of today's digital world. Whether it's cloud computing, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, or enterprise infrastructure, every modern technology relies on networks to exchange data, deliver services, and keep people and systems connected. From cloud computing and artificial intelligence to cybersecurity, the Internet of Things, and industrial automation, Every major technological advancement depends on computer networks. Networks enable devices, applications, and services to exchange information securely and efficiently, making them the foundation of our connected digital world. Today, you've taken the first step into the world of computer networking. We've covered what computer networks are, why they exist, how devices communicate, the different types of networks, and why networking is the backbone of modern technology. In the next videos, we'll build on this foundation by exploring networking concepts in greater depth, one topic at a time. So stay curious, keep learning, and let's continue our networking journey together. In the next video, we'll uncover the technology behind the world's largest network. How does a simple click on a website travel across continents and reach the correct server in just milliseconds? How do internet service providers, routers, undersea cables, and data centers work together to make it all possible? Join us as we answer one of the biggest questions in networking. How does the internet actually work? Thank you for watching Network Chronicles. Until next time, stay connected, keep learning. This is Network Chronicles, decoding the technologies that power modern networks.